Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. We're continuing our 2024 SHOT Show coverage, and we're here at the Sylvan Arms booth. Now, you guys probably know Sylvan Arms from their AR mag adapters that adapt the AR lowers to work with Glock mags and things like that. You know, they have some great mag lowers and everything like that, but with their the adapters and all, with their folding stock adapter, they've made some really cool changes, much more slimmer. You can see not only the circumference and the width of the adapters much smaller, but also the length, keeping things much more compact. They also changed the actual button to make it much more compact. They've added these QD points, which is nice for your slings, so that gives you some options there. They also redesigned the entire rear buffer assembly to retain within the adapter when the stock folds. So the older versions used to have the piece that popped out, and sometimes your bolt could just fly out. Now everything is retained by the actual button itself, which is nice on the folding stock adapter. Okay. Sylvan's also doing a lot of really cool stuff with some of their Picatinny QD accessories. So they have actual pick rail mounts that are QD. Just squeeze these tabs, and they are quick release. Isn't that cool? Right? They've also got a new GoPro mount that's QD. MLOK accessory QD mount for a GoPro. Also these competition weights. These are nice. They actually moved the sliders to the center to keep everything nice and compact so that those weights can butt up against each other. So that's nice. Here's an offset mount for, you know, you could run a small red dot or RMR or something like that on there. Different lengths for the pick rails, of course, a little shorty here. You can see on the bottom that the bipod is mounted to a QD mount as well. So you could just about squeeze your fingers in there without removing the bipod. I'm not going to try to do it because this is resting on it. But of course, all of this is set up with the quick release QD mounts and things like that. So those are some really cool accessories. Also, they're doing some really nice custom Glock 19 and Glock 17 compatible slides. Okay, you can see the way those are set up. There's nice stuff there. So they're doing some nice slide work from Sylvan. And they've also expanded their suppressor line greatly. They got a bunch of new suppressors of various types. Too much to get into here, but everything from 5.56, 9mm, 22 long rifle, a couple of different mounting designs, different baffle designs, really cool stuff. So check them out, Sylvan Arms, and I really like those QD pick rail mounts. That's really, for me, the big aha moment right there. It makes it a lot easier. You don't have to use tools. You can move them where you want, when you want. If you need to clean or you know, move things around, just makes it so much easier to maneuver your MLOK accessories. So really cool stuff. We're going to be continuing our 2024 SHOT Show coverage. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Check out Sylvan Arms, great group of people. We got a lot more videos on the way. I really love that folding stock adapter. Really cool stuff. Got a lot of cool things coming. You guys have a good one. We'll see you soon.